Welcome to Driven Floored. Here's a quick update on the Toyota Supra and the exhaust issue. It was really boomy when we picked it up. Having got it up on a ramp, I've been able to go through it with a local exhaust specialist. He's put in an 18-inch silencer. I've just driven around the corner and not been able to actually stretch its legs and see what it feels like yet, but it's almost got a burble, not V8-ish, but kind of. And there's a little bit of something in there still, but I'm quite pleased with how that is at low revs. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here, and we will see what the sound is like. That's nice. That's got a much more progressive feel to the sound in particular. Before, you just had this big droney sound, and it was present all the time in the lower revs. What I was looking for was for it to go down in a sort of the race direction, as opposed to the whole show car big noise thing. Yeah, that's nice. It's got a much more racier sound. It's got a slightly higher tune to where it was. It's given it what I was hoping. That's just gentle acceleration. Drop it off. Right now, 2,500 to 3,000 revs. See, that is a really nice dropping off engine tone, whereas before it was much noisier. I've dropped down to below 2,000. Stay in second. That was kind of medium acceleration on the pedal, and that's got a nice progression through it now. So in terms of what we've actually done, they've basically taken the stock front end, left it where it is. We come down about a quarter of the way down the car. Then beyond that, there was more pipe with eventually the outer box, which you can see on the videos, the outside of the car. So the first attempt to try and resolve the drone sound was to take out that central unit, and what they've managed to do is to shift the piping slightly. They've sleeved part of it to just buy a little bit of space, and then they've dropped in this lovely big 18-inch silencer. And that small change, which was not an expensive change, has basically got this to 90%, even maybe more, of where I want it to be. I have a feeling I'm going to like using this more, and the kind of sound that we've achieved with this is where I'm going to want to sit with it. Thanks for joining me today for this quick update for the exhaust and service on the Supra. More to come now that especially it's running well and sounding great. And yeah, it's going to be a good summer. It's a hot day today, so this air conditioning is not too bad, but I'm going to have to get it checked out. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, and if you want to stay with me on this journey with the Supra and the Mustang and the other stuff that's around, then please subscribe.